Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and on today's episode I want to show you how I make beef korma, but I'm using veal. You can use lamb, you can make it lamb korma. This is such an easy recipe. It just like sound difficult, beef korma, but it's not difficult at all. So I'm using veal with bone, and then we need some whole masala. And for that, for the whole masala, I'm using 1 star anise, 2 bay leaf, just 2 little piece of cinnamon stick, 1 black cardamom, few peppercorn, green cardamom, and cumin seeds. And we also need some spices. And this is, let's start from here, which is hot chili powder, Kashmiri chili powder, salt, garam masala powder. This is nutmeg powder, cloves powder, turmeric, ground cardamom or cardamom powder, and coriander powder. And then we need some onion, and I'm using between 3, you can use between 3 to 4 medium size of onion, finely sliced. And we are going to fry this onion just as we fry for biryani. I'm using a pressure cooker to make this whole dish today. You can use a pot, it's just gonna take a little longer. In this pressure cooker right now, I have a 3/4 cup of oil. So this is, I know it's a little too much, but we are going to remove some oil right after I fry the onion. So to fry the onion, we obviously need some extra oil. And to that, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of vegetable ghee, which is clarified butter. And the first thing I'm gonna do is fry the onion golden brown. Onion is ready. I'm gonna remove the onion and put in the same plate. So I did remove some oil. And to the same pressure cooker, to the same leftover oil, this is all flavor. I'm gonna add all of these: bay leaf, cinnamon stick, cumin seeds, cardamom, peppercorn, black cardamom, and star anise. And now I'm gonna add the veal. Over medium-high heat, we're gonna cook this meat as is. No, I'm not closing the pressure cooker right now. I just want this to cook just like that until the meat change color a little bit. I'm gonna add just a little bit of salt for now, not too much. And what I didn't show you earlier was ginger and garlic paste. We need 2 tablespoons. And then we also need cashew, which I forgot to show you, and yogurt. So I am going to blend half of the yogurt with this cashew nut, and also half of the yogurt with the onion. So we are dividing the yogurt. We're gonna blend half with the onion and half with the cashew. So for now, we're gonna stir this meat with a little bit of salt and ginger garlic paste and give it about 5-6 minutes. And now I'm gonna add all of the spices. Coriander, cloves, nutmeg, garam masala, salt, Kashmiri chili powder, turmeric, ground cardamom, and hot chili powder. I'm gonna mix everything. And over here I have half of the yogurt with the fried onion. This is all of the fried onions that I had fried. And I'm gonna go blend this. The smell is already so good in here. And here is a paste, fried onion and yogurt. Add this to your meat. And I'm gonna add some water in this blender as well. Et voila, add the water as well. It was about half cup. And give it a good mix. And then I'm gonna go cover this pressure cooker and let it cook for 10 minutes, or maybe if yours whistle, then probably 4 to 5 whistle for now. We're almost done, and now have the last thing to do is adding the cashew and the yogurt that we blend together, and that's about it. I'm gonna close back the pressure cooker and let it cook for another 5 to 6 minutes. And our korma is ready. The beef korma is ready. It is easy, it is simple, it is, because it's meat, it takes a little bit time to cook, but otherwise the ingredient are so easy. You definitely probably have it in your pantry. So hopefully you are going to make this, try this, and let me know in the comment section down below how did you like it. I will see you next time. For now, I'm gonna leave you. Bye bye.